Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss some exercise from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. First exercise 3.2, question number 1. Write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the name of the horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? What is the name of the horizontal line and vertical line? We know horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Second question, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Name of each part of the plane is quadrants. Third question, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. The two lines are intersecting at origin. Next exercise 3.3, question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points lie? Verify your answer by locating them in the Cartesian plane. We studied in quadrant 1 points in the form plus plus, quadrant 2 points in the form minus plus, quadrant 3 minus minus, quadrant 4 plus minus. X-axis point of the form x0, y-axis point of the form 0y. Now let us find minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4 is of the form negative, positive. So it is in the second quadrant. Next question 3 minus 1. Positive, negative. Positive, negative is in the fourth quadrant. Third question minus 1, 0. It is of the form x0. It is on the x-axis. Fourth question 1, 2. It is plus plus. Positive, positive in the first quadrant. Next minus 3 minus 5. Negative, negative. Negative, negative is in the third quadrant. So now we found all the points in which quadrant and on which axis. Now question is one more. Verify your answer by locating them in the Cartesian plane. So now let us locate all these points in the Cartesian plane. Let us draw the Cartesian plane. So I have drawn the Cartesian plane here. Now let us plot the point. First point is minus 2, 4. X coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 4. X coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 4. Plot it. So we plotted minus 2, 4. It is in the second quadrant. Our answer is right. Next 3 minus 1. X coordinate 3, y coordinate minus 1. We can plot it. So I plotted 3 minus 1. You can see it is in the fourth quadrant. Our answer is right. Next one minus 1, 0. X coordinate minus 1, y coordinate 0. X coordinate y minus 1, y coordinate is 0. It is on the x-axis. We can plot it. Next point 1, 2. X coordinate y 1, y coordinate 2. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 2. You can plot it. So 1, 2 also we plotted. You can see it is in the first quadrant. Our answer is right. Next minus 3 minus 5. X coordinate minus 3, y coordinate minus 5. X coordinate minus 3, y coordinate minus 5. We can plot it. So we plotted minus 3 minus 5 and we can see it is in the third quadrant. Next exercise 3.3, question number 2. Plot the points x, y in the following table on the plane using a suitable units of distance on the axis. X and y given. First point minus 2, 8. Second minus 1, 7. Next 0, minus 1.25. Next 1, 3. Next 3, minus 1. Let us draw the Cartesian plane. So I have drawn the Cartesian plane and I plotted the points 2. So let us see. First point minus 2, 8. X coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 8. X coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 8. This is the point minus 2, 8. Second one minus 1, 7. X coordinate minus 1, y coordinate 7. It is here minus 1, 7. Third let it be there. Fourth one 1, 3. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 3. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 3. This is the point 1, 3. Next point 3 minus 1. X coordinate 3, y coordinate minus 1. X coordinate 3, y coordinate minus 1. It is here 3 minus 1. Now our third question 0 minus 1.25. X coordinate is 0. So it is on the y-axis. This is our y-axis. You know this is minus 1. Minus 1.25 is a little down after minus 1. I have drawn the exaggerated picture of it. You can see here. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. In between this is minus 1.1 1.2, minus 1.3, minus 1.4. This is minus 1.5. So, minus 1.1, 1.2. This is 1.3. So, 1.25 is in between 1.2 and 1.3. So, here you can plot minus 1.25. So, a little down of minus 1 we can plot minus 1.25. Students, I hope you understood the video. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Thank you.